Hi everyone, today I wanted to bring you on a little journey on what we have been doing for the rabbits and kind of give you a little bit of what we're doing. And we put in some new stuff and we're getting some bags ready to figure out how many bags we need to order for, and when I'm talking about bags, I'm talking about hay bags. See how many we need, how many more we need to build of the little nest box or den type things. We are going to do that the next few days. So we're getting closer to getting something going on in the other room. So let's go and see what's going really on and see what we have new. Of course, this is not new. Look at how messy this is, but we did get some stuff up here. So this is gonna be our last thing we are doing. But we did work on this weekend. So I will show you exactly what we did. And we have somebody upset. Who is upset? Ella, is that you that's upset? I think it's Ella. Ella, are you upset over there? I'm coming in. But one of the things that we are doing, what are you doing? You get crazy when Ella gets crazy and then they all go, what are you doing, Ella? What you doing over there? So this is what we did, is we put new flooring down, which I've flipped it up, so then therefore I can put a little bit of staples over there. I wanted it to go up like this because that way when I clean the floors, it's much better for me. Right now I'm getting hay bags, so I can get the hay bags put in each of their thing, and it looks like they ate some of the bag, but that's okay. And what I'm gonna do is I am going to put this on my feet. And let me get the other one, because I don't want to carry in mud or anything from the chickens on our new floor, because our goal is to let each one of these rabbits have a time where they can actually run the whole room. So let's get these hay bags into some cages to see how many I have to order. Hey, would you like your hay bag? Do you think that would be something that you would enjoy? Let's put your hay bag right here. There. Then we can flip this around. How are you gonna like that hay bag? Here, you want me to move? Boy, you really like this. Maverick, Maverick. I'm gonna get your tail. He says, Mom, I don't care. I don't care if you get my tail. Look at Mav. Look at your bag. Do you want your bag, Mavie? Huh? Thought you get the big Mav? Yeah. Get your big Mav. Yeah, look at you, big boy. There you go. I think Maverick likes his bag. Do you like your bag, Mav? Oh, you're so beautiful. Say, no, Mom, I'm handsome. I'm a handsome man. Yeah, are you handsome, man? Miss Opal has her bag. Mr. Dude has his bag. Let's go see what she does with a bag. Let's give her this bag. Hey, dude, do you want this bag? Look it. Yeah, you just came out of your box. Let's see if you enjoyed this. Hi. Hi. Do you need to go down on? Should we go down one so you guys can have, let's go down one. There we go. Well, I really don't want you to get caught up in there though. So let's just do what I was gonna do, because I don't want the little ones. Hey, you got your eyes open, huh? You got your eyes open? Hi, Mama. You got your eyes open? Hi. Good. Look at you, kid. Who has their eyes open? See, I have my eyes open now. Yeah. Oh, another one has its eyes open. Who's coming out of the box for the very first time? I caught it. Are you coming out too? Hi. Mama, your babies are coming out. Yeah, your babies are coming out. Good afternoon. Yeah, you got some pretty babies. You got some pretty babies? Should we check on your babies while we're here? Look at them all. Look at them all. Hi. Hi. This is one that I was looking at keeping. Look at how cute it is. This is one that we want to see what the color is. Isn't it cute? Yes, you are. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Mama, maybe a good idea for you to maybe decide what you're gonna do. Look at all these babies. Look at them all. And then we got 2 out. You can run about. Ella, if I give you a hay bag, are you gonna be gentle with it? Ella, if I give you a hay bag, are you gonna be gentle? You got icky eye, gotta clean your eyeball. Do you want some of this hay? This is the reason why we're doing the hay bags too, is because it seems like everybody's getting hay in their eyeballs. So this will help. And I'm only doing this with one hand, Ella. There we go. And then we'll fix this. Ella! Look at, we got your hay bag, Elle! Psh. She says, darn with the hay bag, huh? Daisy, darn with the hay bag. Yeah. You don't want no hay bag? Yes. Can I see your eye? We're gonna clean your eye after I'm done with hay bag. You look like you like your hay bag. Oops, I left your thing open. Let me fix that. Let me fix this. I do not want you to fall and get a boo-boo. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You like your hay bag? Do you like your hay bag? One thing I want to tell you too is we got new water dishes over here and new food dishes over here on each cage. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes, it is. What are you doing? What was that about? Let's give you one of these. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Buddy. Buddy, buddy, buddy. I got your stuff so we don't have to have this on the ground anymore. How about this? Look at this. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Hi, bud. Hi, buddy. Are you gonna come in over here and look at this? Clean all of this stuff up. Look at. Do you want this? Look. Yeah, what about that? Oh, I put that in there too. Do you like this? Look. Look. It's like, Mom, leave me be. She already moved her box away from her stuff. So my rabbits like to do that. These guys are doing really well. Look at these guys. They're trying to get Mommy's food. He doesn't like his hay bag by his potty box either, so just kind of trying new things. And then usually Fridays, like Tuesday and Friday or something like that, or Monday and Friday, one of the others, I usually clean their cages. But today I don't really have to because I did it on Friday and it doesn't smell in here. So we're seeing with having new litter boxes that they like, just the cheapo litter boxes. Crazy, but they do. But this is what it looks like so far. So let's close this. And then I usually lock it behind me just in case. And then if you come in here, this is what it's gonna look like. I have 2 cages that are empty right now because I'm waiting to get some females that I like. And then you come over this way and this cage will be empty too. It's just for babies. And then we have Maverick. Mavy, did I get your tail? Did I get your tail, Mav? Did I get your tail, Mavy? Huh? Yes, you do. Do you want to run around for a little bit? And then you have Arlo. And then Opal. And Faith. And Ella. And Buddy over there. And Claire. And Maribel's. And then the babies. Watch this one here. This one here. If I keep it, that will be her cage. If it's a her, we're waiting to see, which I think it is. She's a big girl. So it looks like I need 1 hay bag. You got a hay bag, you got a hay bag. You and you got a hay bag. You and you do. And you and you do. So all I need a hay bag is 1, 2, and 3. So I'll be able to get them. And some toys. And get these boxes